Would you like to live in Uptown Waterloo? Well, it's nice to know that there's some other options than just a little piece of the sky. Wouldn't it be nice to have a freehold home that's really close by? In fact, you can live that uptown lifestyle to perfection at this one. Might I introduce you to living Uptown 101. Welcome to 101 Park Street. So welcome inside 101 Park Street. If you're looking for something more than a glorified closet in the sky, might I introduce you to your front foyer. Entering through these French doors, welcome to the parlor, a flexible space with newer hardwood floors, tons of natural light, overlooking that front porch. Let's not forget about the fireplace, but guys, there's a lot more here. I can't wait to show you how to live properly in Uptown. So in addition to updated electrical, we also have this updated, in fact, renovated kitchen that gives you all the space that you would need for those dinner gatherings that would be limited to about 4 people if you have one of those little pieces of the sky. So why get some replaceable real estate when you can get some irreplaceable real estate, including these built-in storage niches? Some might call them a Hoosier. What's that? Look it up. Welcome to your own personal dining space. Feel free to invite more than just 4 friends. Forgot to say, feel free to hang up your stuff in your walk-in closet. Now welcome to the second floor with, count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 functional transom windows. So if you're looking for more than just a 2-bedroom, how about, well, keep count. Let's call that the den, en route to your primary suite with a ton of windows here that has access to your own private ensuite with plenty of room to add upper floor laundry. Now, if you're gonna live Uptown 101, I bet you want a covered balcony. Well, we have one of those too, and it does face west. So remember I mentioned number of bedrooms? This is number 2. And welcome to number 3, that all share the main bath with clawfoot tub. But some might say, I really wanted a loft. Well, here's your loft. Welcome to bedroom 4 and bedroom 5. Oh, and before I forget, with flexible zoning that you have here, it's your business if you want to use this place for your business. So sure, we don't have a backyard, but that's kind of the point. With all these amenities around, you just want to enjoy what you have in the neighborhood. This is Uptown 101. Moreover, this is 101 Park Street, and I'm Watty, Chestnut Park.